MyQ solution uses a powerful scripting language called PHP, which allows for scripts to be created that will process jobs based on certain job properties. It is an extremely flexible scripting language that can even be used to send messages to users alerting them of any changes being made. I will go over a few basic examples in this video. For this first example, I will show you how you can process a job based on the page count. In my demonstration, I will print two documents, one with 60 pages and the other with 7. I will print both to the same queue so that we can see how the document with 60 pages is automatically rerouted to a queue that is more efficient when printing larger page count jobs. For all of the examples, I will also show how it is possible to send the user an email to let them know that the system has made an automatic change. Now for the setup. For this first example, I will print the document with just 7 pages to the desktop printer queue. When we take a look at the waiting jobs in the MyQ web interface, we will see that the job has remained in the desktop printer queue as expected. Now, let's take a look at the script that we will use to process the jobs that are sent to the desktop printer queue. As you can see, I've highlighted two separate scripts. The script that is in yellow is sending a message to the user informing them of any changes. The script that is in green is what is actually moving the document to a different queue, as we are about to see in this demonstration. For the demonstration, I will be printing a document with 60 pages to the desktop printer queue. Once we look at the MyQ web interface and refresh the screen, we will see that the document has automatically been rerouted to the corridor printer queue. Also, as per the script, an email has been sent to the user alerting them of the queue change. The next type of script that I will review is intended to automatically delete jobs based on content that the organization may consider forbidden. As we will see, the job source will be used in the script to determine that it is in fact forbidden content and will automatically delete the job as well as send out the appropriate emails. On the server, we see that the script is using the job name to determine it is from Facebook. Let's take a look at the script in action. In order to demonstrate this, I will first print the Facebook login page. Once this has been printed, we can then check the jobs page to see that it has automatically been deleted. As you can see, there are no new waiting jobs. Now let's take a look at the deleted jobs tab to see that the job has been deleted. Again, we are able to send an email out alerting the user of the change. The last script that I'm going to go over in this video is one that will reroute the jobs based on the paper format being used. In this example, the user has inadvertently sent a ledger format job to a small desktop printer that is only capable of printing letter format pages. Back on the server, I will print a test document that is in ledger format to the desktop printer queue, where the script has been set up. As we can see looking at the ready jobs, the job has automatically been moved to the corridor printer queue and the user will be notified via an email. As you can see here, the user has received an email alerting them of the change. This was just a few examples of how powerful MyQ scripting is. We will be more than happy to help you with setting the right script according to your needs.